Janna, brand director with Bernzomatic, here to share with you features of our detail pen torch. This is a great little torch for electrical soldering and heat shrink. Comes in a case with several attachments and pieces. You get the torch itself, electrical solder, a protective cap for the torch, and several soldering tips. So to swap out the tips, simply screw off this end piece. There's two things to note here. This piece actually holds the soldering tip, and if you take that soldering tip out, it will be the hot air blower, or you can leave those out, put the initial nut back on, and this is the open flame. So regardless of the tips that the tip that you want to use on the torch, here's how you ignite it. First, make sure it's filled with fuel, best with Bernzomatic butane fuel. The port for filling is on the bottom. From there, there's a child lock and then the ignition button. So push in the child lock, pull down the ignition, and then if you want a continuous flame, slide the button over on the back and that will stay lit for your project. To extinguish the flame, just push that continuous lock button off and it will go out. For more information on this detail pen torch and our other Bernzomatic products, visit bernzomatic.com.